Hello everyone and welcome back to Introduction to Microsoft Excel Lesson 3. I'll be instructor Aris Flores and let's get started. What is a formula? A formula is a combination of cell references, operators, values, and functions used to perform a calculation. For Microsoft Excel to recognize a formula, it requires you to start the formula with an equal sign. This is because Microsoft Excel treats phone numbers such as 718-555-1234 as texts and not values. An example of a formula in Microsoft Excel would be equal A1 plus A2 plus A3. This particular formula will sum the range of values from cell A1 to cell A3. In this lesson, I will show you two ways to include numbers in a formula. The first way is to type it in the formula bar. With your mouse, click on B4, and then click on the formula bar with your mouse. Next, with your keyboard, type the equal sign, and then type 7 plus 12, and then press the Enter key. This will give you the sum of 7 plus 12, which is 19. The second way is to include arguments in a formula, which is to use reference within the spreadsheet. In this example, I have 7 on cell B2 and 12 on cell B3. With your mouse, click on cell B4 and then click on the formula bar. With your keyboard, press on the equal sign, and then with your mouse, click on cell B2. As you can see, cell B2 has turned into a blue color. Now on your keyboard, press the plus sign, and then with your mouse, click on cell B3. As you can see, cell B3 has turned into a red color. Now, you can see on cell B4, you can see the formula you created, which is equal B2 plus B3. Now, click on cell B4 and then press the Enter key on your keyboard, and it will show you the sum of B2 plus B3, which is 7 plus 12, which is 19. Now gather everything you learned and do the following example on your own. I will help you along the way in case you need help. In order to do the following example, I will showcase on the right side of my screen. Click on A1 and type item. Highlight the text and go to font and click on bold. Now type soda and then press the Enter key. Type chips, press the Enter key and type total price. Highlight the text and then go to font and then click on bold. We want to adjust the columns, so with your mouse slowly move it between column A and B, and click on it with your mouse and slowly move it to the right. I will apply the same thing to column B. Now on B1, type price, highlight the text and go to font and click on bold. Type 12, press the Enter key, type 10 and press the Enter key. Go to the formula bar, press on the equal sign, and then type 12 plus 10 and then press the Enter key. Now do the following example on your own. Now that's a wrap. Thank you for watching and choosing Lecturous.